interesting.
The ghetto.
Girl, the hood. Thank you. A little Janet Jackson for you. Kind of fitting for the outfit. Buttercream.
Buttercream, croc skin, buttercream.
Oh, whatever. Ross, dress for less. Yeah, no. Yeah, I don't want to pay for it. I don't want to pay for it. It's giving Patrick Star. $8 was a steal. That's like a sandwich. Oh my gosh. Simone by Mer Turner.
It's like a totally important designer.
It wasn't cheap. It just ain't cute. It was $70.
Now say what now?
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so I've been really bad about telling you guys what I'm wearing, but today, like, can we get into this blazer? Oh, so good. It's giving Mugler. It's giving that girl so good. It's from ASOS and it wasn't cheap. It wasn't cheap. It was $160. To me, that's expensive. Y'all know I'm tight with $1, but I just couldn't pass it up. So yeah, I'll link it for you. Moving on, the spring home decor saga continues. I just feel like I've been getting so lucky. I've been wanting to do refreshes, so I've been looking for like little pieces to just pop here and there in different rooms in my home, and yeah. So today is going to be a collective haul. I got some stuff from Zara Home, Homegoods, Ross, and Amazon. We got an Amazon pick, so get your popcorn, your coffee, a blanket, whatever it is you do, and let's hop in. So first up, the light of my life. Wait, I probably should have turned it on so you guys know it was a lamp. So yes, this is a lamp, and as you can see, a little Janet Jackson for you, kind of fitting for the outfit. But yes, this is a cordless lamp, completely portable. It's USB rechargeable, so we don't have to worry about buying batteries. And y'all, I feel like this is kind of, let me turn it off because it's kind of distracting. But I feel like this is such a gem. I found this on Zara Home's website. Oh, so good. Now I will say, it was $70.
Now say what now?
Yes, I know, that is crazy now that like, look how small this is, and $70. I normally do not, y'all know I don't like buying things full price. Sometimes I'll try to wait for a sale or find something similar, but I couldn't find anything similar, or I'll try to recreate it. But to be honest, some things are just worth the money, and she's worth every penny. Now I will say I've been holding on to this for a couple weeks because it's been sold out. Like the first time I saw it, I put it in my cart, kind of sat on it, and then it disappeared like it sold out. So when it came back, I grabbed it with a quickness, but I should have grabbed two because it's been like 3 weeks and this has not come back. I'm still stocking it. I will link it down below for you guys so you can put it in your wish list. I really hope they bring it back because y'all, this is giving a retro, like 70s vibes. I've seen a couple lamps that are similar to this on vintage sites, and I'm just so excited I got it. I do hate that you can see your fingerprints when you touch it, but and I do have to say, chrome next to a softer element like linen or velvet has really been catching my eye. Like I really like that aesthetic, and chrome and butter yellow even better because you guys know I'm obsessed with butter yellow. This does look a little more buttercream.
Buttercream, croc skin, buttercream.
Right now, if you will, but if you see it in person, I'll put up a stock photo. It's giving a very pale butter yellow, and like I said, I've been obsessed with that color. And y'all, you guys know I've been playing around with my shelves back here. I'm gonna be doing a refresh with you guys, but I kind of just want to do like trials to see what looks good in the background, because the majority of my videos you guys see this, so I want it to be just right, you know. So I actually, let's put this up, y'all. I hope it's charged enough for the duration of this video, but let's replace this lamp and see what that's giving. Hold 1 second. I actually love that back there. So good. I'll probably play around with the vessel that I have next to it because I feel like the scale may be a little too extreme, but that's just me looking at my viewfinder right now. But we're just gonna leave her up there because she is the star of the show and I just love it. Okay, so while we're talking about miniature lamps, I have mentioned this cordless lamp that I saw on Instagram. What's the name of that? What's the name of the page? I think it's called It's Vintage Home. I think I'll pop up a screenshot here on the screen. They came up with this cordless lamp that was more on the vintage antique realm. Yeah, that sounded right. I love the whole concept, but I was never able to get my hands on one because they sold out so quick, and they haven't put out any recently, not that I've seen anyway. So I have taken it upon myself to kind of recreate that. I think I did one a couple months ago with a candle holder that I got from Homegoods. So these next pieces are kind of an ode, if you will. Y'all, I'll be making stuff up. I don't even know if this makes sense coming out of my mouth. Whatever. But I kind of wanted to recreate a miniature version of that, and y'all are gonna die. In case you're new here, the kit included a candlestick holder, a Belgian linen lampshade, and then a puck light of some sort. So I found this at Homegoods. Y'all, look how good. It's like perfectly like a muted brass, I would say, not like cheapy yellow gold, and it's distressed as well. I love it so much. So I saw this and I was like, okay, let me see if I can find a linen shade that is cute, because I'm not gonna lie, if you search them on the internet, a lot of them just aren't, yeah, they ain't hitting. You know what I mean? So I found this actually on Amazon and I thought it was super cute. It comes with like a clip-on type ordeal. I'm pretty sure that's what this is called. Normally lampshades come with like a lamp heart and you have to put a finial and everything, but with this you can just sit it on top of a light bulb, and yeah, make it do what it do. So I don't have a light in here right now, but just to kind of show you the vision, I mean, that is adorable if you ask me. I just, yeah, really cute. I have some puck lights that I purchased, but when I sit them in the hole, they kind of wobble. So I'm trying to figure out a way to stabilize those to put the lampshade on top of that, and I just feel like all right, let's get this back on here. I just feel like it's so cute. Like kitchen counter, bookcases, console table, bathrooms, great for that, because you know, I find it challenging to decorate in a bathroom with lamps. I know a lot of people like to do it, but it's so hard unless you have like integrated outlets. It's so hard to hide the cord, and as essential as the cord is for power, it just ain't cute. We don't want to see her sometimes. So yeah, so good. I actually got 2 of these, and I got 2 of the larger ones as well in case you wanted a bigger size, but I just saw these at HomeGoods like the other week, so these are readily available. And then I'm not gonna say that they're not readily available because it's not like a constant stock with HomeGoods. You guys know this, but I will link this down for you. Again, this is from Amazon, and I love that it's beige and not white, so it's like really soft, and yeah, super cute. Oh, and the price, this was only $9.99 for the small size, and I don't remember how much these lampshades were. They came in a set of 2, but they couldn't be any more than like $25. I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, very affordable approach to something very beautiful. And yeah, so next up, you guys know I have been on an art kick, if you will. Like I've said before, I usually do all my art because that's just a cheaper way. Not cheaper, I'm trying to stop saying cheaper because cheap has like a negative connotation, but a more affordable way to get exactly what you want. But like I said, I've been seeing pieces that I love, and I love that I don't have to do anything. I just have to hang them up, which brings me to her. Now I do have her pixie cut baddie cousin in my entryway. I did a video of my entryway refresh last year, and I'm still so in love with it. I haven't touched it at all. But in case you're new here, that's what that looks like. And y'all, I feel like this is like a series. I found this at TJ Maxx actually, but you guys know HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, they have a lot of sister stores. I'm trying not to blind y'all with the glare, but her curly fro, like, oh my gosh, just soft girl era. This whole picture, the colors, I love it so much. I'm gonna take the glass out, and I might put this in my bookcase. We'll have to play around with it. But again, $15 from TJ Maxx. It's everything. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. So like I was telling you guys, I've been looking for pieces to kind of refresh my home for spring. And I have this sculpture that's been in my bedroom on the pedestal forever. Like I don't remember when I put it there, but she hasn't moved. Okay, and I don't know that she will move because I love it right there. I love the juxtaposition between how just abstract and clean it is next to my more wabi-esque rustic pieces. So yeah, but I moseyed over to Ross and I found something. Are you kidding? Like, Ross is not my top pick for home decor, okay? It's not. No shade, it's just, it's hit or miss. You guys know this if you've ever been in Ross, but do y'all know it? Okay, so let me just preface. So there is this amazing person named Simone Baumer Turner.
It's like a totally important designer.
She creates these amazing sculptures, and they're worth every penny, okay, I'm sure. But I'm just not in a position in life or in a home in my life where I want to put something that expensive in, because just because you can doesn't mean you should. I'm trying to create financial freedom, and then we'll splurge. So in the meantime, dupes will have to do, and this is doing, okay? Like, I love it so much. I'll put up a picture of the original. Like I said, this is a dupe of that one, and y'all, this was only $8. Y'all can't see that. $8, like, from Ross. Ross, dress for less. I don't know. Speechless. I don't know if I want to keep it white or paint it a different color. I could go either way, but I just had to have it. $8 was a steal. That's like a sandwich these days. So yeah, I mean, it's just so good. Look how sculptural and just interesting.
The ghetto. The ghetto.
Girl, the hood. Please cut that off. I'm trying to finish this video. Thank you so much. I don't even remember what I was talking about. Oh yeah, so I just had to have it. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I just love how clean and abstract and interesting this is. Like, it's everything to me. $8, run to Ross, run. Like, no, finish this video and then run, okay? Okay, speaking of sculptural pieces, I found this guy at HomeGoods and I couldn't believe it. Like, what? So this was only $15. It was on clearance. It is marble, a very muted slate gray, as you can see, type marble. There's no like crazy veining or anything in it. But I kind of love that because all of my marble pieces are very busy, which is what I usually gravitate towards. But sometimes it's okay to scale back and get something a little more minimal. And because of the freeform shape, the veining wasn't even really necessary. I mean, it would be nice, especially in a Calcutta viola marble. That would be stunning. That would be I gotta look for that because I feel like that would make my life. But like I said, this is only $15. I've seen pieces like this online for hundreds. Okay, and yeah, no, Amazon has a similar piece. I'm not sure of the size. I'll link it down below and show you here on the screen, but I just love how this looks just anywhere. Like you put it in the bathroom and put like little hand towels and your hand soap in it, or you can just put it on your coffee table if you want something interesting but nothing that's like too out there, like in your face. I love this piece, y'all. Like it's giving Patrick Star if he was marble and home decor. So yeah, we love this. And last but not least, okay, so backstory. Arvin Olano, which you guys know, I love his style. I love everything he recommends. He showed this like steel, I want to say, candle holder, sconce type situation on his Instagram. And I was like, I gotta have it. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. Like, I gotta have it. So I clicked his link and I saw the price. And no, I can't. I have to have some kind of restraint. I don't even think it was a bad price. I really don't. Not for what it was. But yeah, I don't want to pay for it. I don't want to pay for it. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I can find something similar. Make one. It's been in the back of my head. Yeah, whatever. So on a random day at Homegoods, I saw this tray and immediately I was like, that's it. We can recreate for the low. So I was like, okay, what do I need to kind of stabilize some kind of candle holder situation somewhere in here? And you know, we can just have it on the wall. And then reality set in. This is wood. What are you doing? No, you can't put fire to this. You're gonna burn the whole place down. We don't want that. So I was thinking, I still want to keep it because I think it's just so cute. I love the tone of it and it's very versatile. I was thinking I can either do like a little teeny piece of art or maybe like some kind of marble piece where I can mount it in here and put it on the wall, or I can drill a hole and just make like a sconce out of it some kind of way. I don't know. Or I can just use it as a tray because I mean, that's what it is. It's a tray. I can put it in my bathroom and have my hand soaps in here. So yeah, this is made by the same people who sell or distributed the wooden tray I showed you guys in my last haul last week. Was that last week? I don't know when this video is coming out, but whatever video was before this, that's the tray I'm talking about. It's called Centered Piece or something. I took the tag off. She was only $15, and like I said, I just love, it's just so simple. There's so much I can do with it because you guys know I love making stuff up. But yeah, we love it. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. So happy with these pieces. I hope you guys can find them. I will link what I can. I'm so excited to start refreshing these rooms with you guys. I'm not sure when I'm gonna start that. I have a few more things I'm looking for. But yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then,